Tonight we're going camping and want to make sure everyone is fed. So we're bringing our new portable camping stove that can run off butane or propane. And it comes shipped to your door with everything you need to get started. You just need some fuel. Inside the box, you have a nice protective case for the camping grill. Slide out the tabs on the front to open up the case. Then inside the case, you'll find your instructions and warranty. And then your portable stove and a cooking plate. Put the plate on the stove and pop open the fuel compartment. Inside, you'll find a warning, as well as a propane attachment. I'm going to be using propane. So close the compartment and insert the propane connector through and tighten it down. Connect your propane and we're good to go. Turn the fuel knob all the way until it starts to flame. Then you can adjust the flame size by turning the knob. Put on your pots or skillets and get to cooking. We were out at the campsite on a somewhat windy day, and we kept cooking late into the night. We had multiple meals and even had leftovers to feed the huskies. Even using bigger pots, it managed to cook our food evenly and thoroughly, and it was so easy to use. Then when you're done cooking, you can clean it up, then flip over the stove plate. Put it back in its case, and you can store it away till next time. I love that it comes with its own travel case. It makes transporting to and from the campsite so much easier. So yeah, I'm loving my new camping stove. Dinner was great, and it was awesome being able to cook at the campsite for everyone. I can't wait for my next camping trip, and I'm already planning my next meals. And not that it matters, but I love the look and colors on the grill. I'm happy to set this out and cook for people. But anyway, if you'd like to cook for your friends, family, or yourself while you're out camping, then this portable camping grill might just be for you. Till next time, I'm off to go finish eating dinner with the huskies. See ya.